She had a revelation somewhere between checkout and clarity. Buying more was never the answer. Buying right was. And just like that, the haul became a philosophy. They say black and white is timeless. She says black and white is a starting point. One Bloody Mary flat later, and suddenly the dress had a personality. Bold without trying, intentional without overthinking. She learned a long time ago that a clean canvas does not need more paint. It needs the right accent. Same dress, different shoes, completely different woman. In a city full of options, she had decided the real luxury was knowing how to remix what you already had. There are women who dress for summer, and then there are women who dress for the standard. Regardless of the season, she was the second kind. Linen, breathable, intentional, a white tee underneath because she understood that simplicity is its own kind of sophistication. And the shoes, a Coach nude that refused to be ordinary. Texture, print, a quiet confidence that said everything without raising its voice. She had a theory about solid outfits. When the look is clean, let the feet do the talking. She had always believed that a good neutral trouser was not boring. It was strategic. Wide leg, linen, Zara. The kind of piece that asks nothing of you and gives everything back. The shoes, oh baby, the shoes came from Marshalls because she never needed a designer label to validate a good find. She had the eye, and that was enough. Oh, and of course, she's also building something for you. A template, a workbook, everything she had ever learned about a wardrobe that actually works for a real life, organized into a system. She was not too proud for Walmart. She never had been. Some of her most reliable pieces had come from places most people underestimated. And these jeans, oh baby, these jeans are chef kiss. Good fabric, great fit. The kind of that reminded her that style was never about the label. It was about the eye. She finished the look with the miche ballet flats. She almost passed on it. She was petite. She knew what a long dress could do to a silhouette. How it could shorten, swallow, subtract. But something made her try it on anyway. And then she reached for the heels. Silver, pointy toe, Saks Avenue. And just like that, the dress did not wear her anymore. She wore it. She had to learn that lesson the hard way. The right shoes does not just complete an outfit. It restores the woman wearing it. Suede, in a color that had no business looking that good against her skin. A skirt with pockets, a rope belt tied into a bow, A zip-up jacket with silver hardware that caught the light every time she moved. She stood there and let the fabric do what it was made to do. Slow, intentional, every detail earning its place. And then came the shoes. Silver pointed toe from Saks Avenue. The zippers on the jacket were silver. The heels were silver. The coordination was not accidental. It never is. But the skirt had a split right down the front. And she tried it, stood in it, rolled up the sleeves of the jacket to give it more edge. Tried to work with it the way everyone else would. It was cute. The skirt was undeniably beautiful, but it wasn't her. Not because of the trend, not because of what everyone else is wearing, not because of what everyone else thought, simply because she tried it on, looked in the mirror, and felt uncomfortable. And that was enough. So she turned the skirt around, split in the back, and just like that, the whole look shifted. Chic, clean, hers. The tailor will close that split permanently because she already knows what the set is capable of when it is exactly right. And that is what personal style actually means. You do not have to wear something the way it was sold. You make it yours. She did not buy more this season. She bought better. And somewhere in the choosing and the try-on haul and turning the skirt around, she realized that that was the whole point. Not a haul, a standard. So before you add to cart, ask yourself one question. Will this still make sense in 3 months, 6 months, next year? Buy with intention. Buy for the woman you are becoming, not just the occasion in front of you. Your wardrobe should work as hard as you do. And just like that, it all made sense.